So this is weird. Look at this. If you live on the second floor, you do not get elevator access. Only if you're on the third floor. Oh, Atlas.
Cassiopeia, it's over here. They also have it. This is weird. Too.
Oh my god.
Obviously, original controller and it has a stop switch. This is 7250 Blue Hill Drive here in San Jose.
Oh, it's so hot in here.
It's very